Tired of that soul-crushing 9-to-5 grind? Me too. We're diving into remote gigs you can do from anywhere in the world on your own time. Job security is shaky, so diversifying your income is crucial. Smash that like button and get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom with these 5 remote side hustles. Let's do this. First up, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. Real people, just like you and me, are making bank by helping businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Every business owner has a million things on their plate: emails, appointments, social media. As a VA, you're the behind-the-scenes superhero, all from the comfort of your own couch. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. If you're organized and have decent communication skills, you can earn up to $45 an hour. Number 2. Alright, so maybe being a virtual assistant isn't your jam. You're a wordsmith, a master of the written word. Direct response copywriting is for you. Crafting compelling sales pages, email campaigns, and ads. This is high-stakes, high-reward stuff. With time and practice, you can potentially earn upwards of $100 an hour, or even get a cut of the profits from lucrative sales pages. This is next-level stuff. Number 3. Video editing. Turn your passion for video into profits. Maybe you're a visual storyteller, a master of the moving image. Your obsession could be your ticket to financial freedom. The demand for skilled video editors is exploding. Businesses, YouTubers, influencers, everyone needs high-quality video content. You're the one who takes raw footage and turns it into something magical. And the best part is, you can do it all from your pajamas, sipping coffee in your underwear. Number 4. Content creation. Get paid to do what you love. This side hustle is for all you creative souls out there. We're living in the golden age of content creation, where anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can build a following and monetize their passions. Whether you're into gaming, fashion, cooking, or just sharing your hilarious take on life, there's an audience out there for you. Pick your platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and start creating. Your unique voice and perspective will draw people in. Number 5. Options trading. High risk, high reward. Looking for something exhilarating? Options trading, specifically high probability spread trading, might be for you. It requires risk tolerance and a willingness to learn the stock market, but the potential rewards can be life-changing. You could potentially add an additional income by trading options just a few hours a week. Unlock your earning potential. So there you have it. 5 incredible remote side hustles to diversify your income and achieve financial freedom. Find something you're passionate about, good at, and that people are willing to pay for. Start exploring these opportunities, invest in yourself, and watch your income soar. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and comment on which side hustle you're excited to try. Until next time, peace out.